Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can get rid of dark spots, the fruits you can use to get rid of dark spots. We are going to be using just 2 fruits and they are super effective, guys. The fruits we are going to be using is carrot and lemon. These 2 can help you get rid of dark spots if you use it in the right way. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. We are going to be using these 2 fruits to get rid of dark spots. Okay, so let's get right into it. So guys, first to start, you get a clean plate. The next thing you need is your carrot. For the carrot, you will need carrot and grate. You go ahead and grate it. We are using carrot because it contains vitamin C, and the beta carotene in carrot helps to smoothen the skin and brighten the skin. Yes, carrot has a brightening properties. It can help to brighten dark spot. It can help to lighten your scar. Okay, so that's why we are using carrot for this treatment. Go ahead and wash your carrot. I already washed this one and I cleaned it with a cloth, okay, with a clean cloth, okay, but you don't need to clean it, it doesn't matter. So go ahead and start grating the carrot with the grater. Use the smallest size of your grater to grate it. Like I said guys, carrot is very good when it comes to lightening your skin. Drinking carrot juice every day can help to give you a very clear skin, you know. Drinking it every day will also help to give you a clear skin, a bright clear skin. Carrot juice is super effective. If you want to have a young and a youthful glow skin, please keep consuming carrot if possible every day. You will see the way your skin will be glowing. You will see the way your skin will be so fresh and all that. Okay, carrot is so important because it contains a brightening agent. It contains a brightening agent which is beta carotene, and it also contains a vitamin C which helps to give you that young, bright and the clear skin. Okay guys, so after grating it, I think the one I have here is enough. So after grating this, the next thing to do is to go ahead and get my lemon. For this treatment, if you don't want to grate yours, you can go ahead and blend without adding water, okay, but I prefer to grate it because it's easier to grate. Okay, if you want to blend it, definitely you would add water, and I don't want to add water to it. So this is what I have after grating it. So the next thing now is to go ahead, get my lemon. I will cut the lemon. I just need a small of it. You can use lemon or lime, all right? If you don't have lemon, if you don't have lime, the next thing to use in place of lemon is apple cider vinegar, okay? So this is the one I'll be making use of. I'll go ahead and squeeze in some amount into it. About one tablespoon of it. This is it. So after squeezing about 1 tablespoon of it into it, I'll go ahead and grating some lemon skin. If you want to blend yours, you can just blend the carrot, the lemon juice with the skin, blend them all together. That is if you want to blend yours, okay? I'm grating in the lemon skin because it also contains brightening properties. Right? So after this, look at, I just grated in small amount of it. So this is it. Now I will go ahead and mix it very well. So after grating it, the next thing to do is to get another plate. Also, you will need a sieve. Okay, so once you have another plate and your sieve, you go ahead and transfer it into the sieve. Then squeeze out the juice. If you want more of it, then you can add more lemon juice, okay? But this one, the one I'm making is for once use. If you want to use it like 3 to 4 times, then you go ahead and add more of carrot and more of lemon juice, okay? So after everything, this is what I have. Did you see? This is what I have. So this is what I have. And how do you use this to get rid of dark spots? So what you have to do after extracting the juice, you go ahead and wash your face. My face is already washed. Then you take a cotton wool. Take cotton wool, dip it into the treatment. Then go ahead and clean your face with it. After cleaning your face with it, you let it sit there for 40 to 30 minutes, depending on how long you can wait. Sometimes I overwait, you know, but you have to make sure that it dries up. It dries up before you wash it out. So use it to clean your face. Guys, this treatment will help to fade away every dark spot you have on your face. It will help to give you that youthful glow. It will help to get rid of blemishes on your face. Yes, with consistency. With consistency. Don't go and try it once and you assume that it doesn't work. Even some products that contains chemicals, they don't work once you apply it. You can use it for 1 week or 1 month before you start seeing changes. So don't expect this natural ingredient to work, to start working after you use it once. No, you have to use it many times. You have to be consistent with it. Use it for at least 2 weeks, and you begin to see your black spots fading away. Okay, so this is it, guys. Use it to clean your face. After cleaning your face with it, you wait for 30 to 40 minutes before you wash your face. Then apply your face moisturizer. If you don't have face moisturizer, you can go ahead and apply aloe vera gel on your face, or you can apply Vaseline on your face. Okay, but after washing your face, make sure you don't leave your face dry. Okay, guys. So this is it. This is how you can actually use carrot and lemon to get rid of dark spots. Okay, please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.